Today we are going to talk about what is NLP, what is Neuro-Linguistic Programming. Some people says that NLP is an art, while some says that NLP is skill. Some people says that NLP is technology, while some say that it is techniques. And some people says that NLP is advanced form of mind power. I want to make it simplest for you, and today I am going to share top secrets with you which gurus never share with anyone. Anyone who want to learn NLP can learn. If we consider now brain, so it is a hardware, and mind, it is a software. So now let's go ahead, and if we talk about brain, then we have five senses. We have eyes to see, which is called visual in NLP. We have ears to hear, which is called auditory in NLP. We have skin to feel, which is called kinesthetic in NLP. We have nose to smell, which is called olfactory in NLP. And also we have tongue to taste, which is called gustatory in NLP. So why it happens that some people like tea while some like coffee? Why it is so that some people always fight and some people prefer peace? Why it is so that some people are always confident and others are always fearful? Why some people like to be simple and others prefer passion? It is because of mind programming. Your mind is always being programmed. So this mind programming is actually working every time, whether it is morning breakfast, whether it is noon lunch or evening dinner. Every time your mind is being programmed. It is also working everywhere. You might be at your home, or you might be at your office, or you might be in a park, or you might be on a busy road. Everywhere you are being programmed. Also, this mind programming is done by everyone. It might be your family, or you might consider it as your wife, or you can consider as a stranger. Everyone is programming your mind, and everything is programming your mind. You might see some program on your TV, it might be some news in newspaper, or you might have heard something on radio, or the pocket mobile, your smartphone. Everything is programming you. So let's take a metaphor of computer. If NLP is computer, then what will happen? See, computer requires most important its operating system. If you don't have operating system, people will laugh at you. Same way, computer requires application software, which is a must, and if you don't have, people will laugh at you. And also computer require an antivirus software, and if you don't have, people will laugh at you. So if we consider NLP as computer, and if we compare, then we have three must, which is operating system, application software, and antivirus software. So NLP as an operating system is very powerful. You can achieve all your goals with this. Also, it is most efficient operating system on earth. As an application software, you will feel empowered, you will feel confident and happy while using it, and you will feel most successful. And as an antivirus, it is most vigilant, and all your fears and phobia will run away, and also you will get free of anxiety and depression. So if we talk about advanced NLP, which we are running, which is called EENLP, then we have two concepts. You can learn NLP in Western way, and you can learn NLP in Eastern way. In West, you will find definitely some surface work, but we have deep within work in Eastern NLP. In Western, it is science, but we are treating as spirituality. In Western concept, you will find intelligent concept there, but we have in Eastern concept wisdom over there. And in Western NLP, you will find so many techniques, but here you will find real transformation. So EENLP courses are available for you. If you want to do, it is NLP practitioner, which start from basic level, NLP master practitioner for advanced level. You can be also NLP coach and coach someone one-to-one You can also be NLP trainer and train people on stage. At the same time, you can learn business NLP. Also, there are so many courses like sports NLP, parenting NLP. So I thank you very much for your time. I am architect Hitesh Parmar, esoteric architect and NLP trainer. Thank you.